Welcome to Tad's Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Ngayon po gagawa tayo ng bread roll. So ito po yung ating ingredients. Cheese, hotdog. So ginawa ko na po siya into strips. Fresh milk, Skyflakes, and ating loaf bread. So ito po yung loaf bread gagawin nating roll. Ipa-flatten po natin yan. And ang ating Skyflakes yung gagawin nating breading. Okay, and let's get started. Yan po, depende po sa bread na gagamitin nyo po. So itong ginamit kong bread siya malambot, so pwede na siyang hindi tanggalan ng gilid. So ipa-flatten muna natin yung bread natin. So tatanggalin natin yung matigas sa gilid. We will flatten. So wala pa akong pang flat, gagamitin ko is yung tumbler. So we'll make it flat. Yan. So hanggang sa matapos lahat. Ito rin po, pwedeng hindi rin po tanggalin yung matigas sa gilid. Depende po sa inyo. I tried yung dalawang style. Ayan. Hindi tinanggal. Tsaka yung isa, yung tinanggalan ng sides. Assistant for today, she's trying to flatten the bread. Roxy. Look at here, Roxy. Once only. Roxy. Ay, nice, Roxy. Make it flat, Roxy. Okay. It's done? Done. So, yung pang breading naman natin is yung Skyflakes. So, any kind of biscuit po, kung anong gusto niyo po. So, sa akin, ginamit ko yung Skyflakes. Yung mga plain biscuits lang po, yung mga walang lasa, or yung mga walang toppings for filling. Ito din po, ka-crush lang po natin yan. We'll just crush hanggang sa durog. So, gagawin breading mamaya. Then we will just set aside. And that's it. Our breading Skyflakes. Ayan po, tapos na prepare yung ating mga ingredients. So here's a flattened bread, hot dog strip, and cheese, then fresh milk, and our breaded Skyflakes. So ito po, may ready na tayo, and you'll just watch the procedure. So yun na po. So lalagyan na natin ng hotdog. Parang gumagawa tayo ng lumpia. Ayan, it's almost the same. And cheese, as many as you want. Gusto nyo mas malasa. Then we will dip into our fresh milk. And to our breading Skyflakes. Sa matapos lahat, we'll just set aside. Yan, then. So Roxy is trying to make a bread roll. I'll make it nice, Roxy. And the cheese. Slowly. Just keep. Yes. Two. No, more. Dip on. But not open. Go. Make it close. It's done? Yes. Put it there. Oh, nice. Okay. One done. Bread roll. So, ipa-fry na po natin. So, lalagyan natin yung mantika. Maraming mantika. Dapat nakalubog po siya in half. Tapos, hintayin na natin mainit yung ating mantika and pwede natin ilagay yung ating bread roll. Yan po, mainit na po yung ating mantika. So, pwede natin ilagay yung ating bread roll. So, hintayin na po natin maging golden brown. Then, pwede na haunin. You can put here, the side. Okay. Other side also. Yeah. So, hintayin lang natin mag-golden brown ang ating bread roll. Yan po, golden brown na sa kabilang side. So, pwede natin balik na rin yung ating bread roll. Yan. Oh my goodness, Roxy. Wow, so tasty. Someone is waiting behind me and preparing for our dip. Ketchup and mayonnaise. Check the tangkoy. We finished our dip. Matip. Yan, luto na ating bread roll. Yan. Golden brown. Wow. So here's our finished product. And where's the dip tangkoy? Get it. So if you want dip, pwedeng ketchup and mayonnaise. So here's our bread roll. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tad's Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Thank you for watching. And if you want more recipes, you can comment what recipe you want us to make or to cook. And then ko is waiting to eat the Pedro and Roxy. Tungkoy! Goodbye! See you in our next video.